Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Boom, boom, boom. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome your faces to a new dawn and a new day. No coat today because I just want the fresh air blowing up my armpits. Oh yeah. For breakfast, I have a healthy lollipop.
Of course, only the finest. If you don't think drumstick lollies are the best lollies in the world, then you can unsubscribe.
Now, as much as I love a drumstick lolly, it's not really a full meal, so no mayonnaise, ham sandwich, chicken bites, and an orange juice. That's what I call a breakfast. Let's get blown off this step here, mate. Ready, mate?
I'm glad to see you back.
From where?
Haven't you been yet?
No, I'll go tomorrow.
Oh.
You really can't make up the fact that I got 2 Christmas presents that were both customized Syndicate t-shirt items. One being a blanket and one being a custom chair. Like, out of all the years these ideas could have been given to me and they weren't, and then for it to be on one Christmas, the same gift gets given. That's just bonkers. Narrate you. I can see like when the sand looks all textured like this and dotty, that means he's not eating his food. What's the matter? What's the matter? Do you want to come out? Do you want to come out and play? Come on now. Okay, this is my mental reminder. Tom, you got Steve out. Remember to put him away, because we all know what I do. I get Steve out, he doesn't move, and then I forget about him for like 9 hours. Luckily, that doesn't make me a bad dad because I always manage to find you. Plus, I've got underfloor heating so it stays nice and warm. And you're the perfect Stephen. Yes, you are. I love you. So I'll see you in a week when I'm back from holiday, and you'll probably still be in the same place. Right, we need to set this thing up. Now, I got this thing the other day, and I didn't unbox it in the video. I just completely forgot about it, and everyone was like, Tom, how dare you receive such a dope package and then not unbox it on camera? So, today, we're going to unbox the Razer RAPTOR 27-inch gaming monitor, 144Hz IPS display, ultra-thin bezels, forged aluminium stand, and built-in cable management, which is something I very much need. But for clarification, just so you all know, this is not a sponsored video, but I am sponsored by Razer. They give me headsets, keyboard, and mice, and all that sort of stuff for my gaming. And now, screens. Alright, let's get into this box. It's heavy as hell. I seem to notice that I don't have my big knife. Let me be right back. Alright, big knife later. Let's get in this thing. I actually didn't even know that this was out. Genuinely, seriously. I've seen Razer display monitors and stuff like that at CES, Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, which I've been to a few times with Razer. Oh, I opened this wrong. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Thank God it didn't just fall out. But I didn't actually know they'd released the monitor yet. So the fact of the matter they have, and they've sent me one of them, is brilliant. We have a box, I'm assuming with wires. Da-da-da-da. Oh, accessories. Very nice little booklet in here. Love the green cabling. Oh, that's sick. I like that a lot. Let's continue into the box. What else do we have? Black cable. That's a black power cable. I might not be able to plug the monitor in. Drat. Green cabling. More green cabling. I'm not too sure what all these cables are for. Oh! These are display ports. Are they actually giving you display ports to be able to actually connect your monitor to your computer? If so, that's absolutely sick. Then we've got some sort of power bank. Yep, a power bank that goes into it. Look at the wiring. It's like flat green. It looks sick. That is well nice. Use it. I just like it just be black. Now we've got. Oh, this is the back of the monitor. Okay. Let's do this properly. Okay, Rip. This is probably not doing it properly, but whatever. Wait, is it already built? Because I don't need to like assemble it. Wait, if I don't need to assemble it, that's sick. All right. We are in. What the heck? I feel like I'm doing a terrible job of unboxing this, but whatever. All right. Oh, we're in, ladies and gentlemen. We are in. Oh yeah. Oh. All right. Look at that bad boy. I need somewhere to put it. One sec. Okay, so I've got it on the desk, got all the stuff off it, and I'm looking at this and I'm like, what on earth is going on with this? But the screen actually can fully tilt like that. Look at that. Wait, I do not want to break it. That's crazy. And what's weird is you might not be able to pick up on this, but It's like a, I want to say a fabric material, but that's sick. That's nice. I would hope that would be RGB. Is it RGB? Yeah. Like, you know, chroma lights up, but I'm not too sure. I think it might just be the bottom of the base that lights up instead. But this is where you hide the wiring down the back of these individually. As you can see, we've got the power adapter, USB extension cable, Type-C, DisplayPort, HDMI cable. Nice. When you usually buy a screen, it doesn't usually come with the actual cables you need. You need to buy them online, but I think I may have a bit of a predicament with the situation with the power cable. I might have to order online a... This is where I'm going to need your guys' help. Ready? I do not want to pull this off. This sticker's really on there. Right, I'm going to need to order one of these plugs, but a UK extension to it, because I don't think I actually have any adapters in the house at the moment. Damn. But I'll tell you something, that is a nice ass monitor. This is the size of the screen that I usually play on, but if I'm switching over to this, that is gorgeous. That bezel is tiny, absolutely tiny. I kind of want to keep this on because it looks nice with the shininess, but can we peel pawn this off? Are you ready? Ready for a bit of peel pawn? Oh yeah. Oh. So until I get that new cable ordered, we're just going to have to look at that box and be like, wow, look at all that colour. Look at all those chickens. I attempted to do an unboxing. I got very close. I just don't have the right cable to be able to power it on. Drat. So I returned to my desk in its current form. I swear I have to have a American, you know, like, extension plug socket adapter thing in this house. But since I've moved everything around, I don't know where they are. So if anyone knows what that lead's called, I'm almost convinced it's called a kettle lead. I could 100% be wrong with that, but I think it's called a kettle lead. If it is, I'll get one ordered on Amazon, and then when I'm back from my adventures, which is going to be like in a week's time, we'll finally set it up, put it in the office, and it'll be looking sick. All right, unboxings to the side. I am now currently still fishing in Minecraft. And something really cool I want to share with you guys. There's this one guy called... One guy, all right, or that one guy, who does amazing artwork for me and just sends it over all the time, like fan art from the videos and all this sort of stuff. But he made this like almost loading screen for my streams, and look how sick it is. It's me as my Minecraft character leveling up and AFK fishing. How amazing is that? And it's called the Lo-Fi Project because it's just got super chill vibe music in the background. I'm not putting it on right now because of copyright. But he made that so for when I'm doing this... Wait, if I click it without ruining it. When I'm doing the fishing in the background, this is basically what my character's doing. How cool is that? Bro, you are absolutely amazing at what you do, and I thank you so much for making this. Now, seeing as though I have 70,000 million Syndicate original shirts, I needed some more All Saints. So your boy has stocked up on a bunch of t-shirts for going away in the summery heat I'm going to be in. Yeah, not gonna lie, not sure if I want to shop here if the mannequin looks like that. That's kind of terrifying. But right, River Island Men. I know it's not summertime, but I need some shorts. Okay, these shorts aren't bad, but what the hell is that belt? Okay, we're trying JD. Got a load of shorts. It smells like cheesy toes. Perfect. Alright, I got 5 pairs of shorts for going away. I got this pretty cool box. Did I get 2? No, I got 1. I got this pretty cool box from All Saints because I always buy the same t-shirts. So rather than doing what I did here after, I was like, oh yeah, I'll see what size I am, get 2 of the same one, then get a 3rd one which has got like a nice beachy kind of vibe for it, which is perfect for where I'm going. But then they got these little box sets where it comes with like mooring. So yeah, I'm basically packed for my holiday, no joke. All I've got to do is alternate between like I got swim shorts, I got shorts for like wearing out and about. I'll just wear the jeans I'm wearing now, and some boxers and socks, and I'm sorted. I could even go one step further and not take any trainers, just flippy floppies. I'd have to travel to the airport in them. But if I travelled in just flippy floppies, then I wouldn't have to wear any socks because I'd just wear sandals the entire time I'm there. Which, spoiler alert, means I'm going somewhere nice, warm, and relaxing. I decided to start recording my next video with young Stevie. What are you doing? Where are you hiding? Look how good his colour looks. He loves being out. Like, being in that vivarium all day, he loves nothing more than being out. Look at his colour. By the way, he's not been out this entire time. Come on, hey, what's up? He loves being on my shoulder. Look, isn't that the nicest colour you've ever seen him? Oh. Row, row, row your boat gently with a Steve. If you see an underwater temple, don't forget to scream. Right, all my computer stuff is done, recorded. Minecraft taken care of for tomorrow. Sweet as chips. Over here, I've got everything charging. Watch, passport ready to go. Batteries, Mr. Robot, absolutely loving that show, so I'm downloading that for the travel. I've got my GoPros, my GoPro mounts, my GoPro everything. I've got my chargers. I've got both my sets of glasses, my wallet, my bag packed, ready to rock and roll. Pants for tomorrow, top for tomorrow, boxers for tomorrow, hoodie for tomorrow. No socks for tomorrow. And no, I'm not doing the flip-flop fling, but in good notice, I do need to pack my flip-flops, so I can't forget about those. But I think I am ready to rock and roll. It's currently now 1:29 in the morning, no joke. Trying to do that last Minecraft project episode took me hours, absolutely hours. Like it's drained me. I'm exhausted. My voice is just like sore as anything. So this adventure tomorrow, honestly, couldn't come at more of a perfect time. I know it sounds weird, but I just feel like I've mentally overwhelmed myself from going from such a normal schedule and such a, taking the Sundays off to then basically not taking the Sundays off because I was still recording another video and this and that. That is just like, I need to get away and like mentally, digitally detox. I'll still be vlogging, but I won't be on my phone or my computer. Like, I've been spending so many hours in front of that computer, driving my eyes crazy. Flippy floppies. Get your ass in the bag. I think I've got everything ready for this trip. I'm really looking forward to it, apart from I had a set of goggles which had a GoPro mount on the top of it, and it was just the most perfect mask for snorkeling or swimming or anything to film with. And I put it somewhere. When Tony the painter came, he was like, "Oh, what's this?" I was like, "Oh, right, you better give me that. I'll put it away somewhere safe." And I put it somewhere, not even drunk Tom. I put it somewhere where I was like, that'll be safe. I'll know where that is forever. Better not forget about it. I forgot about it. That said, I've just had a revelation. Is it inside here? Oh my God. No. I do not know for the love of me where this mask is, and I don't know if I'll be able to buy another one in time for this adventure. But either way, I think I need to switch off, guys. I need to go to bed. I know it's like a bit of a chill, like short video, but I'm a bit mentally dead. If you saw yesterday's video of my outro and everything, my brain's just not working at the moment, or today. So I just need to get some rest, 4 hours rest, get up, taxi to the airport, and just start a fresh, fun, new adventure. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow, where we will be starting a fun set of travel vlogs. So until then, leave a like rating, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at 7 PM for the next daily vlog, which should be on time, but if it's not because of travelling times, then I'm sure you understand. But I'm going. So much love, and adios. Found it.